Having trouble connecting to your Lorex NVR? The failed to connect error usually points to issues with your network, port configuration, or the Lorex servers. Let's break down the common causes and how to identify them. First, check your network connection. Is your NVR properly connected to your router via Ethernet cable? A stable physical connection is essential for both local and remote access. Next, confirm that your NVR has a valid IP address within your router's subnet. You can find this in your NVR's network settings, or use tools like ipconfig on Windows. Make sure your DNS settings are correct. Misconfigured DNS can prevent your NVR from reaching Lorex's servers. Check your network settings for proper DNS configuration. Lastly, examine your Lorex NVR's server status. Is it connected to the local NVR's internal server or Lorex's cloud server? Visit Lorex's official website or use third-party sites like icetdownrightnow.com to check the server status. Intermittent failures still occur during peak usage or cyber events. Lastly, power cycle your devices to see if that fixes the issue. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity problems. If your network and Lorex servers are working, the issue might be with port forwarding. Lorex NVRs use specific ports like HTTP, 554 for RTSP, and 443 for HTTPS to communicate. You need to ensure these ports are open and forwarded correctly in your router's settings. Refer to your router's manual for instructions on port forwarding. UPnP can automate this process, but manual configuration is often needed and is more reliable. Also, check your firewall settings to ensure they're not blocking traffic on these ports. For advanced troubleshooting, consider using tools like Wireshark to analyze network traffic and identify dropped connections. Enable two-factor authentication in the Lorex app to make sure you are safe from cybersecurity threats. Keep your NVR's firmware up to date. Lorex releases updates that address bugs and improve connectivity. Firmware updates are a non-negotiable aspect in keeping your NVR secure and reliable. If you're still having trouble, consult the Lorex support forums or contact their technical support for assistance.